Hello everyone, this is video introduce key features of QUDODO Cordless Pressure Washer, Portable Pressure Washer, 800 psi battery powered car washer, 6-in-1 and 180 degrees adjustable nozzle. Battery and charger. We will introduce the features and brief details, what's features including. To make a decision before buy order. Overview or important features are include. The cordless high-pressure cleaner adopts a high-quality motor, which has stronger power and longer service life than the traditional brushed motor high-pressure washer. Compact pressure washer with 6-in-1 nozzle that aligns arrows to different angles by rotating the nozzle for different drainage patterns. Unlike the traditional single-angle nozzle, it saves the trouble of frequent replacement, and the nozzle is directly connected to the extension rod, which is more convenient to install. Reduces the risk of nozzle damage. Battery high-pressure washers are loved by everyone and are a great gift choice. A great birthday or holiday gift for a friend who loves to clean. This Father's Day will also be a great choice for fathers. Battery-powered pressure washers are designed with an on/key and differ from other handheld washers in that they avoid accidentally touching the trigger and causing the machine to run unexpectedly after the battery is installed, resulting in a higher safety factor. The multifunctional pressure washer can be used not only to clean cars, bicycles and motorcycles, but also as a household handheld pressure washer, which can be used to clean garden floors, walls, cars, windows, and more, and can also be used for watering flowers. If you want to get more details, we recommend click link in the YouTube description, to see all of detail before actually ordering. And of course, we are affiliated with Amazon. You can get early reviews of products with little or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter purchasing decisions. If you think our channel is useful for you, you can subscribe and press the bell and select all to receive instant notifications for all future uploads.